Welcome to IndianShareTips.com, and today we are going to tell you 4 days on which safe intraday traders should avoid trading because it is very important to know when not to trade. क्या नहीं करना है ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि मार्केट आपको रोज़ाना अपॉर्चुनिटी देता है पैसे बनाने का। पर अगर आपको वो दिन पता है जब आपको नहीं ट्रेड करना, then you are on the right side of the market. Remember this. So knowing when not to trade is more important than knowing when to trade, because that is known to everybody. But when not to trade is not known to all. And these are 4 days in an year when you should avoid trading if you are a safe trader and do not want to take too much risk in the market. As you all know that Indian market follows the USA market, so this event oblique phenomena is related to USA market. And this phenomena is called as quadruple witching, which refers to a date on which stock index futures, stock index options, stock options, and single stock futures expire simultaneously. So, these are the 4 days in an year per quarter when all expiries occur together and thus lead to higher volatility. Remember that while stock options, contracts, and index options expire on the third Friday of every month, all 4 asset classes which we have stated, and for the benefit of all, I'll state the same again: stock index future, stock index option, stock option, and single stock futures expire simultaneously, and this happens on the third Friday of March, June, September, and December. So you have to be always on the guard on the third Friday of every quarter ending. That is March, third Friday June, third Friday September, and third Friday December. We are making this video on this 18th September as we have experienced third Friday and we have seen an excessive volatility on that day. So now we come to the crux point that why this thing happens. This quadruple witching days witness heavy trading volume because of the process called as offsetting of existing futures and option contracts that are profitable. People trade in higher volumes and they are switching their positions. However, remember that everything is not a gospel truth, and worldwide it is advocated that this quadruple witching may result in increased volume and arbitrage opportunities. However, it does or does not necessarily translate to increased volatility in the market. So remember that 4 days which have been explained to you. Stay safe. If you are a safe trader, make sure you avoid these days to avoid heavy volatility. However, remember that volatility is your friend while trading the Bank Nifty option. Higher the volatility, higher is your profit. So if you want to really make money in the market and you are ready to take the risk, then you should and must trade on these days, as your profit will be tremendous and you can get profit on both sides of the market, that is in call as well as in put. If you have not traded in Bank Nifty options so far in Indian stock market, then you can and must try our Bank Nifty option tip, which gets you good profit and it does not require a big capital. You just require a small capital of 5,000 to 10,000 rupees and you are good to get started, and your profit can be up to 3,750 to 7,500 with a meager capital. you can get a higher profit by utilizing a higher capital. If you like our video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we look forward for an association with you. Thank you.